Guys, I'm Ethan Moore from Stockroom Supply. So today what I'm going to do is just kind of give a review of 2022 for Stockroom Supply and kind of tell you what our most popular products were and why they were popular, and just kind of thank you guys for making that happen. And I'll tell you why in just a minute. So our most popular product this year was our Flatmasters. I was actually looking at some stats and they were up about 104% over last year. It's a sweet little sander, but the reason that these were up was really simple. We make a lot of YouTube videos. We don't make the best YouTube videos, but what happened this year is we had a lot of customers like you guys make YouTube videos, and I can see that these videos are sending a lot of people to look at the Flatmaster. So yeah, it makes a really big difference when you guys post about a product that you like. And so I'll actually link one of the videos up top here so you guys can check that out. But our most popular product this year was the Flatmasters. So second most popular product for us was the Canvac dust collectors by Record Power. So these are very new. 2021 they were very new, but this year they really increased in popularity. So we were up like, it was over 350% on these Canvacs. They became super popular. And again, the reason being, not because of anything that we did here at Stockroom Supply. A lot of customers were posting videos and posts on social media about them. So one of the most popular videos, there was a gentleman in the Netherlands that posted a really awesome video on the Canvac. So I'll link that up top so you guys can check that out. And our third most popular product this year was our Little Ripper. So it was actually a little bit down from 2021. 2021 was a real bumper year for the Little Ripper. So this year it was down about 35% compared to last year, but still our third most popular product. And once again, not because of anything that we did at Stockroom Supply here, but again, there was some really awesome videos posted on YouTube. One Martin did in French. I'm going to post up top here so you guys can check that out. There's some really good content that was made on the Little Ripper this year. So in conclusion here, thank you guys for making this year, 2022, a really good year for Stockroom Supply. And I want to encourage you guys, the best thing that you can do for a small business is, and you like one of their products that you get, is tell other people about it. So if you get a candle this year for Christmas and you really love that candle, the best thing you can do for that business that you got that candle from is tell your friends, post on social media about it, even if you want, post a video about it, because it really truly does make a huge difference, especially for small businesses. So again, thank you guys so much for making this a really good year, and I hope you have a really good holiday season.